Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the On Time On Target play of the day. You have 4 screens in front of you on the TD Ameritrade ThinkPipes platform. These are all 1-minute charts. This is the S&P 500 all the way to the left. Here's the opening bell. All right, we're off to the races. We have BMRA Long, which is right here. You can see it's up 5.6%. Earnings is the reason it is gapping up. And then you have IO, which is short. That's already gone from 7% to 11%, which is out of our window. So let's switch to WINT. Hey, the BITO opened. Let's just look at this for just a second. All right, so we have a green candlestick here. So that means the first trade took place at 40.86, and now it's trading in between that all the way up to 41.03. Off in a minute too. Let's see, 300,000 shares. So it looks like people just kind of threw a dart at this. I think people will buy it all day. So let's take this long. 40, can't do math, 40.90 with a 25-cent stop would be 41.15. There, we're in it long, 41.15. 41.15 with a, come on. I just don't think anybody's selling this. That's why I'm more than comfortable taking it long. So, all right, we're in it at 41.15 long. Our stop is at 40.90, so that's a 25-cent stop. We'll do our math here in a second. Let me get the arrow drawn. Kind of hopped in that quick. We'll make sure that eliminate all confusion. You can still grab it here if you want. All right, there's our arrow. So 41.15 is the entry price. So 41.40 would be our first stop. 41.65 is the second stop, and then 41.90 is your exit. So you can set those up, and again, protect yourself down here on 40.90. So if it drops down to 40.90, the only reason it would drop is people are trading it, right, to take their gains. So I think it comes in a little bit here, maybe down to 41, and then shoots higher, or just continues higher. So fun to watch, brand new holding. So you've already got what? 300,000, 600,000, 250,000 shares. I would imagine these, I don't know. I could get into level 2, which let's dork out for just a second. BITO. All right, here's your level 2 on this. Again, if you're in the trade, you have to have it pulled. You can watch the spot price over here. It's 41.34. Is how you track this. If you don't deal with level 2 much, again, I pay for this. So when there's large volume, it doesn't matter, right? There's enough. And these are all the transactions going off to the right, which again is just a kind of a spaz chart right now. These are all the orders that are sitting out there. And again, as they get filled, they get taken off the top. So whenever this side, whenever the ask touches the bid, then the transaction happens and it goes away. Where level 2 is really more useful is when you get into lower trade stuff, where you can go in and actually see the orders that are sitting there, so you can set your limit price kind of more precisely, if you will. All right, we're at that 2R point 1.5R. Again, I'm watching the price over here to the right. You can also watch the price. I thought it was up at the top. Here it is. The bid ask bouncing around to see where it is. But, why not go back to the actual chart and where you can see it easy, right? So let's draw our lines on here. We said 41.40 is the first R point. So have that made easy. 41.65 is the next R point. That just got made right there. And our exit point is 41.90. So again, holding this till we get to the exit, which I think we will see here shortly. So BITO opened. Get ready to close it out because I think it's going to go straight to it. Again, 40 was what we saw up here. And if you watched the show from the beginning, upper right corner, we saw 40. So we anticipated that's where it was opened. We had 300 shares getting bought there right away. And then basically 5 straight minutes up and we're back out. It just touched 41.90. So nice trade. So why didn't I do what I normally do and cover all the way down? Well, I wasn't really worried about this thing backing up. So I used a little bit of a tighter stop. Normally at $41, you would use a 40-cent stop. I use 25-cent stop so we could hit it quicker. If you want to hold on to this, that's fine. A lot of things ended up, trading, they get on fire, I'd rather trade and be out of it than I would hold on to this for right now, because I just don't know, right? I don't know the thesis. I mean, I know the thesis, I guess, but I don't know if this is going to be a moneymaker or not, but certainly a nice trade for the morning.